Hi there, my name is Miss Lisa, and today I'm going to look at majors. So, just to recap, in music we have majors and minors, and I like to think of majors as sounding happy, like positive, for instance, like C major, like this one, sounding quite cheerful, whereas a minor in my mind sounds quite sad, like A minor, for instance. Okay. But today I'm just going to be talking about majors. In fact, just 3 specific majors to start off with. So C major has no key signature. That means it doesn't have any sharps or flats. And it begins on the musical alphabet letter C. Whereas G major, on the other hand, this time beginning on G, has a F sharp. So if I play C major, if I was to play the scale, so let's try C major. It won't have any sharps or flats in it. I'll try it down here. Okay. But whereas if I was to play G major, this time I'll be putting my pinky and my left hand on G. Okay. And this time I need to make sure that I raise the F to an F sharp. Okay. So this time on G, F sharp, okay. Next I'm going to try F major. So this time F major has a B flat, and that means that my scale will begin on F, and I will need to watch out for the B flat, okay? Okay. Now I'm going to show you the fingering that I used for this scale. So in the left hand, so there you can see I drew out a circle of fifths, and there's my C major, and 5 up from C is G major, which has an F sharp, and 5 down from C is F major, which has a B flat. Okay, and C major has no key signature. That means it has no flats or sharps, making it a pretty easy scale to learn first off. So for my left hand, I'm just going to use 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then my third finger comes over. So you can see there's my left hand. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1, and then my third finger comes over. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's try that again. So 5, 1. Okay, and that's just the same for all of the other scales. Okay, however, for the right hand, we're going to be starting on our thumb. So I've got 1, 2, oh, you can't see. So 1, 2, 3, and then my thumb goes under. You can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, try that again. 1, 2, 3, thumb under. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and there you go. 3 scales: C major, no key signature; G major has an F sharp, and F major has a B flat. See you.